Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung Longest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm going to share another amazing Korean street food recipe from life in Korea. Woohoo! So in Dongdaemun, we found this, just randomly found this cheese corn dog. And you know what Korean corn dog makes it special and stand out than others is rolling on the sugar after they coming up from the fryer while they're hot. And sugar will just stuck on them. Oh, and another thing, we coat our corn dog in panko bread crumbs, so it's like extra crunch outside too. And the sugar rolling, and we put some ketchup, and we put some honey mustard. So good. So let's get started. So what you need to do first is obviously making the batter. So in a mixing bowl, we will need 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. This is what the corn dog makes it nice and fluffy, so don't be shy. Whisk this dry ingredient first, then make a little well on the middle. And let's put 1 egg and pour 3/4 cup of milk. You can use any type of milk that you like, non-dairy milk if you wish, go ahead and use it, that's totally fine. And let's give them a good whisk. Combine the yolk and the milk first, that's why we made that little well. And then go ahead and start to mix all the dried ingredients. I want this corn dog mixture is quite thick because after we dip into the batter, we have to roll them on the panko bread crumbs. All right, it looks perfect, just like so. If you make a nice ribbon, like see, you still see where they drop, how they drop, all that the foam still, and it doesn't disappear completely in 10 seconds, you're good to go. That's what you want. And grab your glass, like a tall glass or like a little gold ring or round glass, because I love this glass so much. I got this at Home Goods, by the way. So anyways, let's pour this batter into the glass. All right, our batter is good to go, and this amount of batter is good enough for 7 to 6 corn dogs. I'm gonna keep this in the refrigerator because it's very important to keep this batter cold. All right, meanwhile, let's skewer all the cheese into the bamboo skewer. So colder the cheese is better as well. So you can use just fresh mozzarella cheese blocks that just cut it into about this cheese stick size and go ahead and use that. But I thought cheese stick was so much easier to use. That's what I'm doing right here. But if you are a meaty person like me, then go ahead and use this weenie. I'm using this Korean little small sausage. So go ahead and put it in like this, and then put cheese, like measuring the cheese how much you will need. Skewer this cheese in. Cheese corn dog and finishing with a regular corn dog. Oh yeah. It's a kind of fun way playing around like this. And like a little small piece, you just snack on it. And I'm going to dust them into flour, just like this. So the batter will stick to the cheese really, really well. All right, just like so. Okay, so just continuously doing it. Now I'm gonna pop these cheese sticks into the freezer for 5 minutes. While the batter and cheese is cooling down, heat your frying oil to 350 degrees and prepare a little plate of panko breaded crumbs. Bread crumbs and some sugar plate. Yes, a sugar plate. As you saw on my Life in Korea video, the Korean street vendor rolled this corn dog or cheese corn dog, whatever corn dog, any corn dog, we roll on the sugar. And that is what makes it huge difference. Trust me. I know some of you guys might go, ew, sugar. No. You haven't had this one yet. All right, my cheese plate, panko bread crumbs is ready to go. And now dip the cheese on a stick into the batter and give a little swirl. And make sure that skewer or the stick actually cover with a little bit of batter as well, because the little extra batter underneath, that's what's gonna hold the corn dog on a stick. So now I'm gonna put it into the panko breadcrumbs and just tap, 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 tap. It doesn't need to be completely covered, but just nicely cover, and drop this into the 350 degrees preheated oil. So while Jacob is filming the shot of cooking the corn dog, I'm just gonna keep going. Temperature is too low, the batter will spill it and the cheese will start like leaking out, and you don't want that to happen. So make sure that your temperature is keeping it up between 350 to 365. Alright, my corn dog is done cooking. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it looks perfect. Whew, before they cool down all the way, we need roll them, ta-ta, in the sugar, ta-ta-ta, like this. The sugar doesn't need to be like perfectly coated, but we definitely want the sugar all around. Just like this, just like that. Oh my God. What about just sprinkle like this? Ooh, yes, yes. Okay, it's gonna be so good. I'm too excited for the corn dogs for how old I am, but my heart is already 17. So this is a little actually my own version of a spicy ketchup, which is ketchup and sriracha half and half. But you can definitely do regular ketchup, that's totally fine. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good. And the honey mustard. Oh yes, please. It's never-ending story. It's so good. The panko breadcrumb outside, extra super crunch. Oh my goodness, the cheese is just The little spicy ketchup and the honey mustard definitely top it off.
No, maybe not.
You need to like lower yourself down. I don't realize how short I am until he stands up next to me.
Oh, that turned out perfect.
Look at the batter, how like the breading part, it's like perfect.
If it was sugar by itself, it tastes like a donut, but when you put like the spicy ketchup on, the tanginess and spiciness from the ketchup, it goes perfect together.
Can I take the last bite? We have more. Ooh. Should not eat this much corn dog, you know?
No, you shouldn't.
Look at that batter. It's like, they're just like so fluffy and airy. That cheese corn dog was so good. Guys, it was so good. Made me forget to do the outro. Well, sorry guys, but you know the good food will do something like that to you, like forgetting really important things and stuff. So if you guys have that experience as well, and if you loved my Korean street cheese corn dog recipe, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching me today, and remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longast, and this is Asian at Home. And I'll see you next time. Bye!